Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to explore the letter Q. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the letter Q. It's a special letter because it always likes to hang out with its best friend, the letter U. Together, they make a fantastic team. Can you say Q? Now, let's make our letter Q even more fun by coloring it. Let's color the letter Q using a light purple crayon today. Grab your crayons and let's color it together. Fantastic job! The letter Q looks so pretty in light purple. Now let's find out what fun word starts with Q. Here's a special word, quail. A quail is a small, cute bird that starts with the letter Q. Let's color our quail friend with a bright red crayon. Are you ready? Wow, look at that quail, all bright and red. Isn't it adorable? And look at our letter Q all dressed up in light purple. Great job, everyone. We've learned so much today. The letter Q always loves to be with you. We colored the letter Q with light purple, and we saw how a quail starts with Q. You did amazing with your coloring. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter Q and coloring our quail. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.